My name is Kenyatta Houston, front tire changer for the one car J. McMurray. Yeah, I've been doing this for 13 years now, 13 seasons. Been with this organization for 4, going on 5 now, so I'll be over there a little bit. You know, I love this sport just because, and that's what it is, you know, it's, you know, my career is actually a sport. We get out here and have fun, we compete. We're one big racing family, and that's why I'm still here 13 years later, still doing it. One of the biggest challenges is just being away from home. You know, when you got, you know, I got 2 kids at home, just missing that those games and you know, recitals and stuff with you know, with family is the hardest part of doing it. Hey, put my number in that thing. Feel of the stall. See the stall right here? Got a little syrup down. Get a nice sticky. You feel it? Nice and sticky so we don't slip and slide. I'm ready. Now I tell you what, I'm the time that I've been here and now, it really excites me to see how the sport has grown and how diverse it's become through the drivers, you know, within the NASCAR organization, and right here on pit road, you got men and women, you know, from different backgrounds that are just out here just enjoying it, you know, enjoying this opportunity. You know, a lot of credit to NASCAR for helping those programs grow to this point to where it is today. And I'm putting a lot of hours doing lug nut taps, a lot of practices, a lot of workouts to get where I'm at today. And that being said, and I'm not the best yet, one of the best. I want to be the best, you know what I mean? So when we leave here in Phoenix, I'm gonna go back home, look at the film, see what I did wrong, get back at it with practice Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, workouts, you know, and I'm gonna be the best on pit road.
Toss it over to the floor.
Right now what we're doing is we're prepping all our tires for the race. So what we do, there's 5 studs on each one of the wheels, and we actually will glue up each one of these lug nuts individually, and we actually just use a weather strip adhesive, just anything you would use to fix a leaky window at your house. But yeah, so when we do pit stops, a lot of people don't know that when we put the tires on, the lug nuts are actually glued to the wheel already. So when we put it on the car, each one of the studs actually has a nipple at the end, about the end of your pinky's worth. So when we put these lug nuts on, it'll sit on the end of the studs, but the glue will expand from the wheel, and then once we hit it with the gun, it'll break the glue loose and run it up to the wheel.
Some guys even glue lug nuts to their helmet, so if one falls off, they can yank it off, think fast. Doesn't happen too often, but they're there.
In reality, you can't build 40 cars exactly the same, but that's what NASCAR is based on. It's all based on the person and the mechanics and their skill set. And so the cars are supposed to be equal. And that means that at the track, there's only a limited amount of practice, a limited amount of time to do anything. So we have to be highly organized. We have to be ready to roll if there's a problem, to fix it, to adjust the car, and to change things around. So that's why we're highly organized, and we have specialists in every part of the car. So this hauler is like the command center of the team.
More important team channels because it's the athlete, they can drive along. A company like GameStop, they're actually they're partnering with game manufacturers or device manufacturers, accessories, and then the game brands themselves, like Tomb Raider, and then Turtle Beach is a headset company for gaming. And so GameStop can actually fund their racing program through their partners, so they don't have to actually, you know, spend the entire investment on that. And then it's a win-win for everyone, because you have these cool cars, like we've had Super Mario Brothers cars, we've had We've had, like I said, Tomb Raider cars, things like that that really drive interest in the sport and in the race car.